Hi everybody. Today we are covering how to find utility rebates on MaxLite.com. From the home page, you can hover over to the Resources tab and then the Rebates Compliance submenu to click Utility Rebate Finder. Once on the page, you can either search for utility rebates by subcategory or you can enter a product model number to see if it has a rebate. To search utility rebates by subcategory, you can check any number of the boxes on the left-hand side of the page. For example, you can choose to find rebates on flood luminaries. Then select the state, and from there, choose from the utility programs available in that state. Here, I am selecting NJ and NJ Clean Energy. Finally, click Submit. In your utility rebate results, you will be able to follow the utility program link to learn more about the utility program, and the application link to apply for the rebate. If you are looking for utility rebate information for a particular SKU, you may refresh the page and repeat the state and utility program selections as before. Then, type the model number here. Finally, click Submit. Another way to find utility rebates is on the actual product family page. Once on the product page, you can scroll past the product section, or you can click the quick link to reach the utility rebates section instantaneously. Here, you can pick a SKU from the drop-down, or enter the SKU below to see what states that SKU might have a utility rebate for. Then, you can select one of the green highlighted states to retrieve the available utility rebates programs below. We hope you find this tool helpful on your future projects. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content on MaxLite.com.